In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rules in your My Tasks in Asana. Rules in Asana function essentially as automations, allowing you to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in and explore how you can set these up with ease. To begin, navigate to your My Tasks section in Asana. This is where you manage your personal task list, ensuring you're on top of your priorities. Picture it as your digital to-do list, but with powerful tools to help you keep everything organized. Once you're in the My Tasks view, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing you to concentrate on what's important. Look up towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Customize. This button is your gateway to enhancing how your tasks are organized and displayed. Give it a click, and it will bring up a menu that offers various options to tailor your task management experience. This is where you can really start to mold Asana to fit your personal workflow needs. Once you've clicked Customize, you'll see an option labeled Rules. Click on Rules to proceed. This is where the magic of automation starts to reveal itself. Asana rules help you set specific conditions under which certain actions are triggered. This feature can save you loads of time by reducing the manual work of updating tasks. Now, it's time to add a rule. You'll see an Add button. Click it to start setting up your automation. Asana offers a variety of pre-made templates for rules, making it simple to implement common automations without starting from scratch. Whether you want to automatically move tasks to different sections based on their due date or trigger notifications for new assignments, these templates cover a range of needs and preferences. But if the templates don't quite fit your requirements, you can always create your own rule. Craft a custom rule from scratch by selecting the specific triggers and actions that align with your task management style. This flexibility allows you to automate practically any aspect of your task flow, transforming the way you organize and respond to your daily responsibilities. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add rules in your My Tasks in Asana. By incorporating these automations, you'll not only make your task management more efficient, but also free up valuable time to focus on what truly matters. Keep experimenting with different rules, and don't hesitate to personalize them to suit your unique workflow. Thanks so much for watching, and happy task managing.